Anyway, this is Artful. It is a mystery box that's not brand new, but it's brand new to me, so that's all that matters. I have never opened one like this. Trying to figure out how to do it without butchering the box. God, this is intense. The package was hard to open. This is hard to open. Sorry, baby. Okay, like this. We have tissue paper. Box, that way. Okay, box. Yes, I will open this first. Figure this out. It's not rocket science. There we go. Oh boy. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh no. Why is there... Okay. Still works. We have markers. Let's organize this in some way. Oh, tomboy markers. There we go. Water-based markers. And then tomboy not sharpened pencil, HB. Tomboy, what are these? These are Tomboy twin tones, which is more markers. Okay, we have cards. Yes, why not? Just open it. Just open it. Oh my god. I guess I'll be swatching sheet. Or, we'll figure it out. Cards. Okay. Put it over here. We have, what is this? Oh, calligraphy? Calligraphy pens, twin tones. Okay. Oh boy. And then we have sketching, lettering, illustration. This is Bristol board paper. It is 25 sheets. Let's figure this out. Hold on. I'm not good at opening things. I like how big the paper is though. Calligraphy. My handwriting is atrocious. Okay, paper. Bristol board, 120 pounds. Let's learn about calligraphy. There's supposed to be an eraser in here. Is there one? I don't see one. Dual brush pens, twin tones, eraser. I mean, I got plenty of erasers. I'm okay with that. It's fine. Yep. I am missing my eraser. It's a classic eraser from Japan. Oh, it's like that? You got one right here. Close enough. Whatever. Typography. Okay, dokie. Swatched all of the colors. I didn't lay them on top of each other. Maybe I should have. I don't know. Where did I put that thing? I should have probably saved the page I was looking at. But that would have been too useful. Yeah. So, embellish letters. You draw the letter, then you add details, then you shade, then you erase. I haven't gotten that far. This is just a rough sketch. I decided to do the letter L here. This pencil's really nice though. I like it. Okay, it's got a sloppy sketch here.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep, I long for insomnia. They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I chew, I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Green and watercolors outside the lines. It's uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Green and watercolors outside the lines. It's uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
Okay, so I got a little frustrated. And here's the problem. This paper's fine. These markers are fine. I'm just freaking bored. I am not. This is just not inspiring. This calligraphy stuff. I'm just not in a freaking mood. It's boring. I don't want to play with calligraphy. I don't want to do lettering. I just don't. Yeah. Yeah, I just can't. I just can't. I could do 10 more of these and I would be equally disappointed and bored and uninspired. And everything else is just, it just sucks. It sucks. This sucks. This sucks. Sucks. Yes. Yes. I did the best. I feel great ripping this up. I just don't enjoy it at all. The most fun I had was on the sketch. And maybe if I was doing watercolors, it would have been fun. Or just doing a landscape or portrait or anything. I'm just not a letter person. Don't like letters. Yeah. So. Paper's nice. It's really nice paper. Markers work great. It's me. It's just me. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I was thinking about doing a poem, like an illustrated poem, maybe. Because I have a few poems I could do. I'm not feeling inspired at all. I did illustrate a poem in pencil. But I don't like how it looks. I just don't like it. I'm just not happy. I'm just not happy at all writing letters. And I don't know what to do about it. All right, I give up. I feel like I'm failing here. I guess I can just color this in so I have something done. Just not feeling it at all. Okay, well, I hate it. I can't. I'm just going to put this stuff aside and look at it in like a year or 10. This is disappointing. So the poem, though, is, I'll read the poem. It says, standing at cliff's edge, no rope, no railing, wings of glass that only I can see. You think I will fall, but I have faith, not fear, that I will fly if I believe. And so I thought this would be a very uplifting poem, motivating and whatnot, but yeah. It is, I wrote the poem, by the way, but it is uplifting, it is motivating, it's telling me to just walk away. Give up and walk away. This is just not worth any more of my time or effort. But I will do a different art piece with different materials, with different everything, and just, yeah. So I'm giving up on this, not giving up on art, just this. This is not me. This is not what I like. And I think this was a good teaching, very good teaching exercise to show what I don't like doing. And that is letters. Do not like letters. And I really don't like letters in markers. So, yay. Bye. Okay, I lied. I tried again. Still don't like it. Then I decided write the poem. Why not, right? Great. Didn't like it. I printed out my poem, glued this here. I am done. I am fucking done. But hey, this kind of looks like art, right? I can call this a finished. Kind of looks like art. I used the products. There. Great.